Have you ever felt like the years have slipped through your fingers, like time was wasted on paths that led nowhere? It's a feeling many of us know all too well. But what if I told you that those lost years weren't wasted at all? What if every challenge, every setback, every closed door was part of a greater plan? The universe has a way of restoring what we think we've lost. And today I'm going to share with you the 7 signs the universe will restore all your wasted years. These signs are like hidden messages from the cosmos, guiding you toward the life you were always meant to live. So, if you've been waiting for a breakthrough, if you've been yearning for a second chance, stay with me, because this video might just change everything for you. The first sign the universe is working to restore your wasted years is a renewed sense of purpose. You may have spent years feeling lost or unsure of your path, but suddenly you begin to feel a stirring deep within. It's as if the fog of confusion is lifting, and you start to see your true calling with clarity. This is not just a random occurrence. This is the universe realigning you with your destiny. You might notice that certain passions or interests that you once set aside are coming back into your life. These are not mere coincidences. The universe is reigniting the flame within you, urging you to follow the path that was always meant for you. Embrace this renewed sense of purpose, because it is the first step toward reclaiming the time you thought was lost. Every moment you spent in doubt or uncertainty was a lesson, and now those lessons are propelling you toward your true purpose. When the universe is ready to restore all your wasted years, it often does so by opening doors you never knew existed. Suddenly, opportunities start to appear out of nowhere. These opportunities are not accidents. They are carefully placed on your path by the universe as a way to guide you toward your destiny. Perhaps a job offer comes your way that seems too good to be true, or you meet someone who introduces you to a new career path or creative endeavor. These opportunities may seem random, but they are the universe's way of making up for lost time. When these chances appear, it's crucial to recognize them for what they are. Gifts from the universe. Embrace them with knowledge and take bold steps forward. The universe is aligning circumstances to bring you back to where you were always meant to be. One of the most powerful signs that the universe is restoring your wasted years is the healing of old wounds. You may find that which once held you back are beginning to lose their grip on you. Whether it's emotional regrets, lingering effects of past decisions, you start to feel a sense of release. Healing is a crucial part of your journey. The universe knows this. Helping you to heal is giving you the strength to move forward without letting the burden of the past. Spiritual practices, or even unexpected moments of clarity and understanding. Whatever the method, it's a sign that the universe is your path, allowing you to reclaim the years you once thought were lost. Another sign is the reconnection with important people from your past. Perhaps you've lost touch with someone. Maybe a relationship that ended badly is suddenly finding its way back to you. These reconnections are not by chance. It's a way of bringing you full circle. When these people reappear in your life, pay attention. They may carry messages or lessons that are essential for your growth. These relationships, whether romantic, familial, or friendships, provide your journey to reclaim what was lost. The universe is giving you another chance to mend, to grow alongside these individuals. Embrace these reconnections as a sign that your path is being realigned. The universe is for all your wasted years. You notice a surge in your self-confidence. You begin to trust your instincts. Starts to fade. actually building up your inner strength. Now it's time to use it. Trust in yourself and your abilities. Telling you that you are ready to reclaim what was lost. A profound sign that the universe is restoring your wasted years is the emergence of deep inner peace, even when everything around you seems chaotic. You may find that, despite challenges and uncertainties, you feel a calmness within that you've never experienced before. This inner peace is the universe's way of showing you that you are exactly where you need to be. This peace doesn't mean that life is suddenly perfect, but it does mean that you are in alignment with the universe's plan for you. Chaos may still exist, but it no longer has the power to show you. This is because the universe is guiding you, and you are beginning to trust in that guidance. Embrace this peace as a sign that the universe is restoring balance to your life, and that the years you once thought were lost are now being returned to you in the form of stability and harmony. Finally, one of the most definitive signs that the universe is restoring all your wasted years is when a new beginning emerges from what seemed like an ending. Perhaps a job ended, a relationship broke down, or you experienced a significant loss.